In this video, we'll break down how charity and education are key themes in A Christmas Carol and how these themes bring A Christmas Carol to life. So let's get started. Now that we've looked at the social context of A Christmas Carol, let's explore two key themes that run throughout the novella: charity and education. These themes are closely linked to Dickens' criticism of Victorian society and his call for moral and social responsibility. Charity in A Christmas Carol. Charity is one of the central themes in A Christmas Carol. When we first meet Scrooge, he's the embodiment of a man who has no interest in helping those less fortunate than himself. When approached by charity collectors, asking for donations to help the poor, Scrooge's response is cold. Are there no prisons? Are there no workhouses? His attitude is typical of many wealthy Victorians who believed that the poor were responsible for their own situation and that charity was unnecessary. But Dickens uses the character of Scrooge's transformation to emphasize the importance of charity, not just in terms of financial aid, but in terms of kindness, empathy, and support for the most vulnerable in society. Scrooge's change of heart is symbolic of the moral lesson that generosity, both in spirit and in action, is what truly makes a person rich. One of the most touching moments in the novella is when Scrooge, after his redemption, buys a large turkey for the Cratchit family. This small act of kindness, which would have seemed impossible at the beginning of the story, shows that charity doesn't always have to be grand. It can be a simple gesture that makes a world of difference. Education in A Christmas Carol. Education is another important theme in A Christmas Carol. Dickens believed that education was one of the key factors in alleviating poverty and improving society. In the novella, we see the younger Scrooge, full of hope and potential, attending school and learning from others. But as he grows older, his focus shifts to making money, and he becomes more isolated and disconnected from the world. The Ghost of Christmas Past shows Scrooge his old school, where he was a lonely boy but still eager to learn. This serves as a reminder that education and personal growth can open doors and provide hope, even in difficult circumstances. Scrooge's transformation is also a reflection of how education, both formal and moral, can lead to a more enlightened, compassionate life. The Cratchit family and education. We also see the theme of education in the Cratchit family, especially in the character of Tiny Tim. Although Tim is physically frail and poor, his optimism and love for life show the value of spiritual education. He may not have access to the best formal schooling, but he embodies the lessons of kindness, gratitude, and joy that transcend material wealth. The Cratchits' humble, loving home contrasts with the cold, heartless world of Scrooge's business. Through them, Dickens shows that true education isn't just about academic achievement. It's about learning to care for others and to value the things that really matter in life. Closing line. In A Christmas Carol, Dickens teaches us that charity and education are essential to creating a better, more compassionate society. Now that we've explored these key themes, let's move on to the message of redemption and transformation that is at the heart of the novella. Thanks for watching this short dive into how charity and education are key themes in A Christmas Carol. This video is part of the GCSE ByteSize Bits series, where we break down the most important elements of A Christmas Carol to help you understand and analyze the novella for your studies. Be sure to check out the other videos in the series, where we dive into everything from character analysis to key quotes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if there's anything specific you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.